Hello everyone and welcome to my video series on learning Kurmanji dialect of Kurdish for beginners, my series for A1 or the beginners level. In this lesson, you will learn a few greetings in Kurdish. For daily grammar tips and sentences, you can follow me on Instagram. You can subscribe to the channel to be notified of new videos. You can also check out my Instagram account where I regularly post contents about Kurdish. If you want to take online Kurdish lessons from me, you can send me a message on my Instagram account. So, let's begin. Dersa yekem. Once again, Dersa yekem. Silavkirin. Once again, Silavkirin. In this video, we are gonna discuss different forms of greetings used in various Kurdish areas. You can repeat what you listen a few times. So, let's say Azat and Baran meet in the park in the morning. Azat says, Slav. Once again, Slav. This is most commonly used form of greeting among Kurds. Some Kurds also greet with merhaba. This is also commonly used among Kurds. If we make a comparison, we can say that Slav is the word for hi and merhaba is the word for hello. Then Azat says, Rojbash Baran. Once again, Rojbash. It is another commonly used form of greeting. This is commonly used to say good morning or in the daytime to greet someone to wish a nice day. Let's now learn some greetings that can be used only during a particular time of the day. Let's say Azat sees Baran on the road in the morning and he says, Beyani bash. Once again, Beyani bash. This is to wish a nice morning. Let's learn the one for other times of the day. Evarbash. Once again, Evarbash. This is used to wish someone a nice evening. Shevbash. Once again, Shevbash. Now, let's learn some other forms of these greetings. Let's say Azat is on the phone with Baran. Just when he is about to hang up, Azat says, Bkhatrite. Once again, Bkhatrite. This expression is used to say goodbye, and when someone says it, the other person says Oğirbe. Once again, Oğirbe. Let's say Azat is on the phone with Baran. When Azat is about to hang up, he says Bkhatrite Baran. Oğirbe Azat. Vekili Slavan be. Once again, Vekili Slavan be. This expression has the meaning of say hello to everyone for me. It is usually said when you are living somewhere. For example, let's say Azat and Baran work far away from their hometown. Baran is going to visit his family in his hometown. Just as Baran is about to get on the bus, he says, Bkhatrite Azat. And Azat says, Oğirbe Baran, Vekili Slavan be. So, this expression usually used to the ones who is living somewhere or hang up the phone. You do see some new characters here. The E letter here is the sound of E as in C and Li. There is another one that we see in Evarbash. I made a short video to hear these Kurdish letters. You can check it out. Let's say Azat goes into a room and there are Azat's friends in the room. Azat says, Slavin Germ. Once again, Slavin Germ. This expression means warm greetings, sincere greetings. We can say it is an alternative to the word Slav. Here is another one, Dembash. Once again, Dembash. It means hello and literally it means have good times. This greeting can be used anytime during the day. Let's say Azat and Baran are talking on the phone. When Azat is about to hang up, he says, Bimine de khairu khoshiede. Once again, Bimine de khairu khoshiede. This phrase is used as an alternative to Bkhatrite. It literally means stay in a state of beauty and grace. Let's say Azat and Baran meet. Now they are leaving each other. Azat says, Hata hevditneke din. Once again, Hata hevditneke din. This sentence means exactly until we meet again. We use it to mean see you later. Another greeting for this kind of context, Behevia hevditne. Once again, Behevia hevditne. This expression means hope to see you again. Let's say Azat invites Baran to his house for tea. When Baran comes home, Azat says, Bkhair hati. Once again, Bkhair hati. This means welcome. There is a special phrase to answer this expression and we use it. So Baran says in answer, Nav khaire dabi. Once again, Nav khaire dabi. These two greetings are complementary to each other. Let's say Baran is having tea at Azat's house and he is going to leave. Just as he is about to leave, he says, Khwade rahatiye bde. Once again, Khwade rahatiye bde. This phrase is usually used when you are leaving someone or hanging up the phone to wish them peace. Let's continue to this context. When Baran say Khwade rahatiye bde, Azat will say Ser chavan. Once again, Ser chavan. This phrase is used to mean you can always come, you are always welcome. Sometimes the long version of this phrase is also used. L'ser seran u ser chavan. Once again, l'ser seran u ser chavan. Let's say Azat and Baran are talking on the phone. Just as they are about to hang up, this conversation happens. Bkhatrite, oghirbe ser chavan. By saying Ser chavan, Baran means you can call me anytime. My phone is always open for you. Now we will be summarizing all the greetings and all the forms that we have learned in this video. I will be reading out all the greetings we have learned. Please repeat them after me. So here we go. Slav, Merhaba, Rojbash, Beyanibash, Evarbash, Shevbash, Bkhatrite, Oghirbe, Wekile Slavan be, Slavin germ, Dembash, Bimine dkhiru khoshiede, Hata hevditineke din, Beheviya hevditine, Bkhair hati, Nav khaire dabi, Khwade rahatiye bide. Ser chavan. L'ser seran u ser chavan. Hope these greetings have given you a feel of Kurdish language. Feel free to watch these again. Spas. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. بخاطري و حتى هفدتنا كدن.